Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we have a problem to tackle involving an iPhone 6 running iOS 12 that our viewer wants to convert into a point of sale. They're curious if the phone's NFC can turn it into a contactless card reader, particularly in the UK with banks like HSBC, Virgin Money, Monzo, and Revolut. Let's dive into this interesting situation and find a solution that could work for them. In the solution, we have found that iPhone now supports Tap to pay on iOS 15.4 and later. This means that developers can implement Tap to pay in their payment service provider apps using Proximity Reader or a PSP's SDK. This feature allows for contactless payments in supported regions on compatible devices. So, the option is there for our viewer to explore and potentially turn their iPhone 6 into a contactless card reader, depending on the banking providers they're using. So, to sum it all up, if you're looking to transform your iPhone 6 into a point of sale using contactless payment methods, the Tap to Pay feature on iOS 15.4 and later could be the solution you need. Make sure to check the compatibility of your device and explore the implementation through payment service provider apps. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like and comment below with your thoughts and maybe a joke or two. See you next time.